Alright.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
If it's not a fruity, then... What is going on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your Joy Boy back at it again. Guys, we are at the mall today and they got a really cool prize in here. Look at this, some golden eggs. So I'm gonna try my luck, see if I can win some golden eggs today. I think the trick with this machine, because the claw is so big, is if you double tap the button, it actually closes twice, like that. Oh my gosh, that was close. I'm gonna have to double tap it. I think I'm gonna have to get really good at that. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, right as I was saying, stay in there. Nice, we got our first golden egg. All right, crack her open like Humpty Dumpty. All right, here we go, guys. Golden egg, number one. Oh, I guess that doesn't work. Oh, no way, there's $1 inside. That's dope. Big bets. All right, we're just gonna put it right back in the machine. Uh-oh. Oh my God, we got the one below it. Please say, oh my God, no way. Did you guys see how close that was? I can't even exaggerate that. Go for this one. Oh my God, that's perfect. Okay, awesome win. Perfect grab. Let's see what's inside. Here we go, big reveal. Oh, another $1. Sweet. I like my eggs scrambled. Oh my God. Oh, we got one. Stay in there, please. Oh yes, got it, barely. Oh. Got another little golden egg. I don't hear anything inside. Let's hope it's big cash. Come on, big money. No way. Oh my God, 20 bucks. Are you kidding me? Dude, there's $20 bills in these. We have to win more. Holy crap. Heck to the yes, that's 20 more bucks in my pocket. I want to win like every single gold egg in here. We'll see. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, it's tough. Maybe if I go for one that's kind of dug in, it might actually be... Oh, perfect. Come on, stay.
Carried it.
Oh my gosh, what a freaking egg, bro. It keeps going down even after you. Yep. Oh, there we go. Got one. Oh my gosh. Oh,
ooh,
my
maybe.
gosh, perfect.
No way.
That's
got
exactly how you want to grab them. All right.
What's in it?
Come on, what's in it? Please, karma. Be good to me.
It looks so hard to
Oh,
open.
$1, not bad. I'm not complaining, guys. It's better than candy.
Money.
Yep. Oh
ooh,
my God. A
carry it all the way.
perfect
Carry it all the way.
No. Oh my God.
There you go.
Wait.
That's got it.
Wait. Oh, all right. Finally. Finally, I've got one.
Come on, something big.
All right. It's empty. What's it gonna be? Oh,
$1.
another $1. Yep.
Ooh,
Stay
two
in
prongs? Oh my,
Nice.
nice.
All right. Oh, barely. All right, come on. Because we've won so many of these eggs. I've gotten one $20 bill, so I'm not complaining. But if there is a, oh my God, more fruities.
True.
Oh,
you got it.
Yep.
I stand corrected.
All right, so yes. Let's
Come
see.
on. Something.
All right, this has got to be it, right?
Come on.
Please. Don't be $1. Don't be $1. Oh, $20. Yes, let's go. Guys, we got another $20 bill. That makes $40 so far. That's awesome. All right, perfect. This is what we needed, guys. We needed this push, this little nudge to keep playing because honestly, I was losing hope in this. I gotta keep playing now. That's awesome. All right, perfect. This is what we needed, guys. We needed this push, this little nudge to keep playing because honestly, I was losing hope in this. I gotta keep playing now.
Ooh, two prongs.
Oh my God, stay. Oh my God.
There we go.
Perfect. Wow.
Nice.
Close.
Come on.
So pleasing.
Please.
All right. You already have trouble.
Oh my God.
$20?
20 bucks.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Heck to the yes. Up high. Nice. We just got
Nice,
another
dude.
$20. That's $60 so far if you guys aren't following along. Plus we've got at least like $10 in ones.
Yeah.
That's 70 bucks. And there's no way we spent $70. at 50 cents a play, guys. So, oh, maybe two prongs.
No way, that's gonna.
Well, let's see.
Oh my
Nice.
gosh.
All right.
Oh, are you kidding?
More fruities.
That's a disappointment.
Get that out of here. Let's see.
Got it.
Oh, perfect.
That's a textbook grab. Come on.
Let's see what's inside.
Are you kidding me?
More fruities. Oh, there we
That
go.
was
Perfect.
good.
Nice. That's
Come
a
on, two in
nice
a
little
row.
scoop up.
Please,
Alright.
come on.
As long as it's not fruit.
Oh, no way,
Another
no way,
$20
no
bills.
way.
Heck yes.
Oh
Dude,
my
what is that?
God.
$80?
80.
Nice. High five. Let's go.
Oh.
Guys, we are doing well so far. We got $80.
2 row.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Got him.
That
Stay
is
in there, nice.
sliding. Nice.
2 in a row. All right, there's no sign of fruities.
Ah.
Oh my God. Oh, there we go. Perfect.
See? I don't know. It's getting the glass.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Come on.
It seems to hang on pretty well like that.
Okay, please something good. No fruities.
No fruit.
Yes,
Let's go.
No
Another
way,
20.
another
That's
20
$100. $100 at the Prize Palace with Golden Egg
Wow.
Machine. Heck to the yes.
Come on.
I feel like this is a good one. It was over there. We haven't. Ooh, it sounds hollow. Come on, don't be $1.
Dang
oh
it.
my God, I jinxed it. Mobby. Oh my God, perfect.
Please.
So like
Come on.
satisfying to watch
I
the
know.
claw grab an egg.
Okay.
Is it light?
No
Yes,
way.
let's go.
Let's
140,
Another
baby.
20.
We're
Heck
getting
yes.
up there.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. Will it stay? Yep.
Oh, didn't swing that much. Good.
Nice. Fruities? No fruities.
Oh,
yes,
no
let's
way,
go. We're
another
at $200. Heck to the yes. $200, guys. We've gotten 10 of those. Oh, wait.
Carry it.
Oh my
Wait.
gosh. What a
Wow.
grab. That literally bounced like up and down inside the crane. Oh,
Ooh,
$5.
$5.
Okay.
It's a little different.
I haven't seen one of those before.
Yeah. Ah,
Yes,
nice. That was a perfect
nice.
grab. Come on.
Another egg.
What's in here?
Oh, another
$5.
5. Oh,
Got
I
it.
should have it. Nice.
3 in a row, I think. Maybe
I want anything but fruities. Another 5. Are you
$5.
kidding me?
Three
Dude,
fives
3
in a
fives
row.
in a row. But
Got it.
it's hard to get this
The timing.
second snap down.
Come on,
See what's
please.
inside.
Let's
Yes,
go.
let's go.
Another $20.
How much money is that?
270, I think, or 250.
Or 250, yeah. All right.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
Oh, doesn't sound like a fruity. If it's not a fruity, then
Yes! No
Let's
way!
go!
It's $100.
$100! Are you kidding me, guys? We finally got it! $100 bill from the
Let's
Golden
go.
Egg Claw Machine. Wait, we gotta make sure. Is it real? I don't know how you do this.
You like
that
look
looks
up. You look
pretty
for the
real.
Lines. You look for the lines.
That's
it is.
pretty real.
That's legit.
Oh my gosh, guys, we won $100. That's so crazy. What the heck, dude? Yeah, guys, we've gotten $350 from this
That's
machine
insane.
so far. Oh my god, I cannot believe that. Look how many eggs we've won. Literally, we could probably count all this. It
Probably
looks
like
at least
30.
like 50. Yeah, I want to say 50 eggs right here. But dang, look at this. This is crazy at the Prize Palace machine.
Good way to
We got
celebrate
all
Easter.
this money. Yes. We don't want to do.
There you go. You got it.
Oh yeah, stay. Nice. Just barely.
Oh,
you
you
see
got
that?
stuck.
Yes. Okay, guys.
What could
Here
it
we
be?
go.
I'm gonna say $5.
I'm gonna say 20. That's what I'm hoping. I'm not even gonna look. All right, you guys are gonna see it before me, so I'm gonna just crack it open. Don't tell me. Ah, wow! I'm gonna try to make that so cool. And
And first,
that was a fail, guys. We got $1. Are we really gonna end on $1?
Oh, 4 in a
that was
row.